Have you ever held a Kinder Joy egg? It's not just a snack, it's an adventure waiting to be opened. One half is a creamy treat, the other hides a surprise toy. But how do they make these? The answer is a blend of clever design, big machines, and smart problem solving. Kinder Joy's story is about adapting to challenges, like strict safety laws that once kept similar products out of some countries. Today we'll peel back the foil and explore the science, technology, and creativity behind every Kinder Joy egg. Let's crack open the secrets of this tiny marvel. The journey starts with the iconic egg-shaped plastic shell, made from food-grade plastic for safety and strength. Plastic pellets are melted and injected into molds, forming thousands of perfect halves every hour. Each half is checked by cameras and robotic arms for flaws, only the best move forward. The shell's two halves keep the treat and toy separate, a design that meets strict safety standards worldwide. One half is sealed for the creamy treat, the other holds the toy with an easy peel tab. This isn't just packaging, it's smart engineering that keeps everything fresh, safe, and fun. The simple plastic egg is actually a very smart piece of technology. Inside one half, two silky layers, milk cream and cocoa cream, are made from high-quality ingredients in temperature-controlled vats. Special machines fill each shell with perfect layers, never mixing, always precise. The final touch? Two crunchy hazelnut-filled wafer balls, crafted and placed with robotic precision. Every step, from mixing to filling, happens in a sterile, high-tech environment for safety and consistency. Sensors and computers monitor everything, ensuring every Kinder Joy is delicious and safe. The result is a tiny masterpiece of flavor and texture. It's not just a treat, it's food science in action. That's the magic behind every creamy, crunchy bite. The other half holds a surprise toy, designed by teams of artists, engineers, and child development experts. Each toy starts as a creative concept, then becomes a 3D model, engineered to fit inside the egg and be assembled by kids. Safety is paramount. Every toy is tested for choking hazards, durability, and non-toxic materials. Only toys that pass strict tests are produced, assembled into kits, and sealed in a bag. Instructions are simple and visual, making assembly part of the fun. The toy is always separate from the food, ensuring safety and surprise. This process turns a simple treat into a moment of discovery. That's the secret behind Kinder Joy's lasting appeal. Now the two halves, one with the treat, one with the toy, come together. A tiny spoon is attached to the foil lid, so you're ready to dig in the moment you open it. Machines seal each half for freshness, then snap them together into the familiar egg shape. The design keeps food and toys separate until you open it. Eggs are wrapped, boxed, and tracked by computers for global shipping. In weeks, what started as raw materials becomes a shelf-ready Kinder Joy. It's a marvel of logistics and precision. Also, you can enjoy a perfect treat and surprise. Why did it take so long for Kinder eggs to reach the US? A 1938 law banned food with non-nutritive objects inside. The original Kinder Surprise had a toy hidden in chocolate, making it illegal in the US due to choking concerns. Ferrero, Kinder's maker, couldn't change the law, so they changed the product. Kinder Joy's two-compartment design keeps toy and treats separate, meeting all safety rules. This clever redesign allowed Kinder Joy to launch in the US in 2017, becoming an instant hit. It's a story of innovation, solving problems with smart design. Sometimes the best way forward is to rethink the rules. Kinder Joy's success proves creativity can open new doors. Once assembled, Kinder Joy eggs are shipped worldwide, managed by advanced logistics and computer systems. Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes final testing. Food scientists check the cream, technicians inspect the toys. Factories follow strict international safety standards with sanitized machines and controlled environments. This ensures every Kinder Joy, anywhere in the world, meets the same high standards. Consistency and safety are why parents trust the brand. From design to delivery, it's a blend of science, creativity, and care. Kinder Joy is proof that even the smallest products can be marvels of engineering. Next time you open one, remember the incredible